Imagine waking up one day to find your apartment flooded, your electronics fried, and your clothes ruined. Now imagine the relief of knowing all of it could be replaced without draining your bank account. That's the promise State Farm Renters Insurance makes in 2025, all for around $10 a month. But is it still worth it, or is it just another monthly bill that sounds better than it really is? State Farm's renters insurance covers more than most people realize. You're not just protecting your couch and TV, you're covering clothes, electronics, furniture, and even valuables when you're outside your home. If your laptop gets stolen at a coffee shop or your luggage disappears during a trip, this policy could have you covered. Plus, liability protection is included, which means if someone gets hurt in your apartment or you accidentally damage someone else's property, you won't be left with a massive bill. One of the biggest selling points in 2025 is how customizable it is. You can adjust your coverage limits, add protection for expensive items like jewelry, and even get coverage for loss of use. Meaning State Farm helps pay for a hotel if your place becomes unlivable due to a covered event. And unlike some companies that raise rates sharply after a claim, State Farm remains competitive for most customers. The $10 a month figure is based on average coverage, but keep in mind rates vary depending on where you live, how much coverage you choose, and your personal situation. Some renters pay even less, while others may pay a bit more for higher limits or add-ons. What's key is that you're getting protection that could save you thousands for what many people spend on 2 coffees a week. On the downside, like all insurance, it has limits. Floods and earthquakes aren't covered unless you buy extra protection, and you'll need to pay a deductible before the policy kicks in. Some renters may also find cheaper options from competitors, especially if they qualify for special discounts elsewhere. So is it worth it? If you rent and own anything worth protecting, paying around $10 a month for peace of mind in 2025 is hard to beat. It's not about expecting disaster. It's about being ready when life surprises you. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more honest reviews like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review.